Okay, this is the place. The result of Aroma Beach Resort. Campuyo. Yeah, Campuyo Aroma Beach Resort. We just arrived. Okay, guys. Just look the hotel, the Walter Steck. Tanawa raw.
Oo, naka-reserve siya karon.
Tanawon niya yang kuan daw. Tanawon niya yang
Oo, wagi ano,
oh, di pa reserve. Campoyo ni siya. Campoyo Aroma Beach Resorts. Where we stay, guys. So morning for my heaven swimming of May 2. It's Saturday ba? So this is the locations. Nice their swimming area, oh guys, sa Campoyo Aroma Beach Resort. So they have a baby. Oh, they have a table bar. Swimming. Okay. They have a baby. Swimming for the baby. So this is for kids there, and this is maybe the adults. Look at that. Nice area. It's a very nice area. The two kids, Aisha and Heaven. So there they are. They have also there, guys, so cottage there. You can also accommodate this for their area of swimming pool, party. So this is their chair. You can have your event here or for kids party. Nice. They have a cross there. Okay, they have a cross. And they have a gate there. Maybe there's the stop. For the stops. Member. Here. Working here. So nice. Also. Heaven! Nice. They have here, they have a for the handicrafts. Okay, they have also a second floor here is like a stage. Mhm. Okay, nice. Baby kids. Okay, so hot na. Very hot, guys. I gonna go now. Going back. Okay. This is the area of the hotel. Mm. They have a lake here. It's like a lake. It's like a lake. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Ayan, ubos na. Basta kadali ka lang to ha. Karon lang, karon lang.
So this is their policy. Policy nila ni. This is their policy. So you can be walk in here. They accept a walk in for swimming pool. And this is their fitness. Carbs fitness. So this is their cottages. And then okay, gonna tour you guys for this area. So I think that's a laundry housekeeping area. So it's a huge area they have it. So this is what we have here. So I'm gonna go that area. I think this is a service of the owner. So it's a huge hello. This is a housekeeping area. So this is the housekeeping area. It's my housekeeping area, yeah, for the laundry. So this, I think this is the owner. There's a dog. Wow, they have a dog. So this is their cottages here. This is their cottages. Bongarol. So Bakhaw. And this is ours. Here's my husband, Kawayan. And this is Kawayan. Here we go. We're check out today. This is my husband. Have a coffee outside, and that's their restaurant. And they have a function hall. They have 2 function halls there also. A big, a huge. This is the property of the owner. The rest house property. And this Talisay. So this is Talisay cottages. Cottage, not cottages, cottage. So carbs fitness. So you can also play here, guys. They have a basketball, volleyball, and pickleball area there. So they have a CR there. So what is this? Lawaan cottage. So and the Luby cottage. So it's all named by the Filipino words, language, or Filipino language. So this is their main entrance for the uh, aroma. So here their receptions area, the gate. So your safety here, guys. So that's their guardhouse, and this is another function hall, guys, here. So there, that area is a function hall also. So it's a huge property. Okay, I'm gonna view you guys. And this is another. I think they have a event possible. They have an event because they're preparing for their functions. Look at, yeah, reservation. So they have a Mahal family, Mabal family. So they have events there. So they prepare already this their venue here. So that's what they have it. So nice. And arrangement already, guys. Set up already the components. Okay, the system, sound system, good. And they have at the back, they have also a restaurants sitting there. This is a big, so I can show you guys. So it's a big, wow, I can't go. Okay, it's a very nice, cute, it's a family. Here you go. Yeah, they have another function hall there. Okay, so see the functions, and this also a function. So they set up already, guys. They have a function here, events. So a lot today. It's a Saturday weekend, so they have functions. So already set up. So I can view you guys. So there. Okay, they already set up. Okay, they have events there, so I cannot run because they already clean up. So maybe I bringing a mess there. So I cannot step the floor. It's clean already. So another view. We go to the the beach. So we're going to the beach. Here you go. Oh, they started now. So the family is started now. So here the pickleball game play. So you can play here, guys. The volleyball, basketball, the pickleballs. So they have a real. So this is the beach, cottages for the beach. From here it's a very clean, guys, totally. It's a high tide now. So it's a high tide. They have the public for the guests here, walk-in guests. So here they have a lot of cottage. There is a small, I don't know how much the amount there, but that's what I can view you guys, but I don't know what is the amount of that. But you have bunch. We'll see from here going there. So you can choose. Okay, going down there in the end, and they have us at the other side there. You can have closer to the. You can view the beach, ocean, and it's a high tide. I think they announced it. It's not totally, yeah. Okay. So, I think there is a. So, okay. This is a high tide. Okay. This is the wide ocean. You can smell the ocean and breathe the breeze. So there was a fishing man there. So, and you can use also, they have I think that's their boat for going to sandbar. It's good for 15 people and it's worth for 5,500. That's what I know. They told me because I inquired them, but we don't go because it's too much for us. 5,500. It's we are only four going into the sandbar for adventures, for boat tour in sandbar, and it's really, you can enjoy in the sandbar because they have a boating, selling the food, the whatever you want, the wine. There is a nanay there, mother also. Maybe she's an old, she was the one who selling it, what you want, what you need to her. So here you go. Oh, here you go. It's a very clean, guys. So this is set up very well. Okay, it's really set up. So they have, you can grill. See, you can use the grills if you want to bring the grill. They have a grill area, grill, so you can grill the fish. Okay, so the volleyball game, can play the basketball. Then they have a dressing, so you can use that as a comfort room for the week. Walk-in only that, guys. And I think this is also one of the small rooms that you're booking them. Okay, but you can book online, guys, their messenger website. It's hard for them. I hope they have Agoda. Walter cannot be booked. We try how many times, cannot book. They're still not a member in Agoda. So here they have on the boat. That's what they boat. And here, guys, there you go. They have another closer to the tree. They have closer. So here the side is a rock. They have a rock side, and they have a step there. Steps. You can use the steps here if you go use here. So that's what okay. Oh, they have a step here. This side is totally in their the edge, the last boundary of their beach property. And then here you go. And that one, guys, so that was the sandbar. They are close, only 15 minutes away from another fort that one, but they said it's better here in the Cannibal Fort because it's a safety, and here it's different. I don't know, I'm not yet experienced, but only they say for the people in the boat, what they call, that's the pilot of the tugboat. He said for me that it's hard there because you need to go to walk along the water before you can go with the boat. I don't know, I'm not yet been there, so I don't, that's only this he said. So, and maybe she's I don't know, because he's a competitor. But safety there, because they have a Coast Guard, you listing your name, your safety, because the Coast Guard will let them record also the name persons and persons going with the boat, each boat, because you book also the Manhuyod sandbar. You can Manhuyod sandbar. It's a nice house there. Oh, so it's so nice to have your house close to the beach. Okay, this is a beach. I don't know. It's a very nice owner here. I don't know who's the owner here. Maybe Aroma. There are fishing. Oh, they have a line for fishing. Somebody was fishing. The fisherman. So she have a line there, boat line. Oh, a lot of fishermen there. Okay, oh, a lot now coming for walk-in people there. So we're check out today. So it's our last staying here in Aroma. So it's okay. It's okay. So guys, I already knew you all. So now the guest is already walk-in guest is already coming. So they have coming. When we came here April 30, we stayed 2 nights because it's our anniversary, Walter and me. So it's every our anniversary we have a vacations to go somewhere place to enjoy. Now it's we brought our housemaid and the daughter of my housemaid. So here the restaurant, front of the restaurant there. So here you go, the guests now coming. So I'm gonna the housekeeping. So okay, you can go to here the side. So guys, yeah, my purse is total. Wow, they have a shower before you go. They have a shower here. It's a very clean, totally. Only Walter says not satisfied because of their cottage is there is a 2-step, but there's no reel that you can hold, hand reel you can hold. That's what she don't like it, because he's already My husband is already, he's not satisfied because he's already shaking. Hard for him to step up. So it's just hard for him. So yeah, I think that's the owner. Okay, there you go. I done to view you guys tour here. So okay, you can park along your cottage or car here. We park along our cottage. It's a 5. I like here because it's a 5. This is a family deluxe sizes. Family deluxe. This one Kawayan. They available enclosure. Here is the aircon. This is their porch area. You can stay outside. Balconies, like a balcony outside. And there you go. This is a bed this side, that side, and it's so messy because we're already here 3 days. So it's morning and my kids the 2 kids is already in the swimming pool, and that's the bathroom, but I cannot view you guys. My husband is in the bathroom. So here the TV, only a cable. They don't have internet, so YouTube or Netflix they don't have. That's only for TV. Okay, the seat 1, 2, 3 here side, and they have a cabinet, a small, and the ref, so small personal ref, a mini ref, whatever. So yeah, side. It's very good because we're 5. I have 2 kids and 3 adults. So I don't know what the rest there, because this is only the recommender. The guest is coming now. The walk-in guest is coming already here. So yep, I go back to the kids. We are just preparing. We have a leftover, so guys, I don't waste the food because there's a lot of hunger, need the food, and I don't want to throw the leftover food. Last night my husband doesn't like it, but no for me because a lot of people is hunger. Okay, that's it. Heavenly, this is your place. Okay. Asa ba si daddy niyo?
Oh my God.
Maybe din niya si daddy. Okay, this is the room. And this is their bedroom. That's be okay. Nothing is bad. We have a hot shower.